What if I told you I made Doom, running inside Doom, running inside the Unreal Engine? Yeah, it's DOOMception. Why Doom? Because Doom is the hello world of 3D graphics. Sure, it's not quite as wild as running Doom on a toaster or your refrigerator, but come on, this one's playable inside your own Unreal level. Granted, Doom ran in under 4 megabytes of RAM, and Unreal uses more memory just loading the editor splash screen, but hey, it's cool. Under the hood, I'm using the Libretro Doom emulator core. That's the portal to hell and demons. Download it from the link I give you, and most of the heavy lifting is done. Swap the core, and with a little editing, you can play Wolfenstein, NES games, or even create a DOS box inside Unreal. To keep the internet police happy, I'm using the free Doom WAD. If you own the classic Doom like I do, you can drop that in too. It doesn't make a difference. I've put together a full step-by-step tutorial book with the source code. And for a small donation to the channel, you can copy and paste your way through embedding the legendary Doom into your level. Or grab the free preview, which is the first 3 chapters to see the dynamic texture magic in action, just one step away from Doomness. And sorry, Blueprint fans, this one's pure C++. You need threading, memory control, and external DLL calls. And that's where C++ shines. So grab the tutorial, then jump over to my long form video, and I'll walk you through bringing the 1993's Doom straight into Unreal 5. See you in the next layer of DOOMception.